Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School here in Vista, California, and this is the home of the Coyotes. Just got done sharing my heart with the AM, PM students and staff, the after-school program. And today's focus was all about citizenship, right? That was the primary focus. And like it shows you on the screen here, one of the slides for the presentation, it's saying how to be a good citizen, right? And so we're all called to be great citizens, not just here at school, but at home, in our community, basically anywhere we go and whoever we interact with. And the students really got that today. I've been here year after year after year, but today's topic, was brand new. And I think it really resonated with the hearts, those that I was speaking to. And what I love about this topic, especially, it's close to my heart, but it's something that we always have a choice, right? Whether we want to uplift or tear down. We've talked about that in the past, but the idea for citizenship is that, we want to be on fire to make a difference, right? We want to be passionate about doing something. You have that desire, that burning desire in our hearts, but then it's up to us to willingly choose to go out and do something, right? So many times students say, I want to be kind, or I want to show more love. I want to, do acts of kindness. And I'm like, well, that's great. You can say it, but then you have to act, right? Then you actually have to do it. And so providing some examples of, what I've done to volunteer, to, do acts of service. The students really responded to that as well. But I shared a lot of examples of people their age, that are being the change, going out in this world, making the planet a better place. And what's so cool is when you give anything to someone else, even your time, which is the most precious gift you can give someone, because you can never get it back, right? Hopefully it touches their heart enough that they want to go out and do something else for someone else. And that kind of tied into the orange example, right? Where we talked about love being like oranges, that for it to fulfill its purpose, we have to peel it, right? To get to the fruit. But ideally, we compare those oranges to our hearts, that we have that love inside for sure, no matter what we've been through, have gone through, will go through. But now it's up to us to kind of peel it open and let that love spread. Just like the aroma of the orange, and it kind of gets sticky on your hands and you are washing them for a couple days after and it still smells like oranges. We want that kindness to just kind of cloak us, right? To clothe us, and us to now go out and hopefully leave a lasting impact, right, on the people that are all around us. And we're talking about changing the world. Little acts of kindness are what do that, from sometimes very ordinary, normal people, but big acts of love. And when you think about this too, so many times we're trying to, change someone else, or we're trying to, change a whole group of people, when in reality, if we just make the change ourselves, right? If we just focus on who we are and what we can control, that's the path to success, but it's also the path to hopefully finally, impacting someone enough and changing their heart that they're going to want to have that same fire inside of them, right? To go and make a difference. And so again, it's a topic that is so needed in today's world, and it intertwines with, underlying themes of respect and, just being a good person, a good overall human being. But hopefully that's what they all received today when I tried to convey through the inspirational video, the picture slides that reinforce all the heartfelt stories and messages, the physical props too, the hip hop song at the end, all that intertwined is really what I was hoping to accomplish and just impress upon their hearts. And hopefully it did touch your heart, because you touched mine today. It was great seeing you all. I'll be back again 2 more times this school year. But until then, be the amazing citizens that I know you can be for this world. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.